Empty trailer loaded up, you know what that means. Showing up at the wife's work to steal the Easy Pass. This project is actually for her, kinda. It's a pretty fine looking Chevrolet. I drove 7 hours to get this thing and I spent $181 in fuel, but it looks like it's a pretty good deal. I think it's worth it. That trailer is a 7,000 pound GVW with 15-foot runways, so it's basically maxed out with that Burb on there. So I had to get this thing as far forward as I possibly could in order to get some tongue weight on it, but it didn't sway at 70, which is what I was worried about. Woo-wee. It's hot in there. Oh, put it in reverse with auto. Woo! That's hot too. Wash it off. Oh, there's your mama. There's your mama.
Hi, Wavy.
219 on it. It's got one of these touch screens. AC, nice.
You can go over there, Wave.
You gonna go for a ride?
Huh?
You want me to?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh! Beep! Beep, 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 beep. Oh! Oh, he's silly, aren't you? Too silly? Be careful. Yeah, what is that?
Here we go. I'm gonna get this part and you wash the bottom. Okay, here you go. Mommy's hot. You got it. There we go. The Z71 and the old Z69. So, you know I have F350 axles for this thing. F350 axles, SM465 4-speed. I'm getting the transfer case for it now because it'd be fun to put those Super Duty axles in here and have the tires stick out and look crazy with a big old lift. This one I sort of bought for the wife, sort of bought for maybe me. She seems to really like it, so I guess I can't play with it for a little while. But I have an idea for this thing too, which is almost going to be a shame to cut it up when it's in this nice a shape. But eventually this will also become a Blazer, like a K5 GMT 800. I photoshopped a Burb into a two-door and it looks so freaking sweet. I knew that I had to actually do it. So eventually that will be the plan with this thing. So this has got the old 5.3 liter. Unfortunately it also has the barf package, as you can see here, but that's okay. That'll definitely get a clutch pedal at some point. I don't know if it's going to be before or after it's turned into a two-door. The wifey, I think, is probably going to run the automatic for a while, but it will be way better with a wiggle stick over here and a third pedal down there. The interior, I mean, driver's seat is garbage like they always are. The rest of it, the interior is pretty freaking decent. Not bad. So this seat is going to get deleted when it's turned into a two-door, and then that'll just be the back seat. Sucker's got a touch screen. It's got a sunroof. She's optioned right up. Safe foot bed's pretty cool. More room for sleeping than the Blazer, that's for sure.